Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 GMC Sierra K1500 Denali 4x4 with a 5.3 liter V8. And that is running smooth as could be, so I'm going to go ahead and close that up and take you for a tour. And if any of these LEDs appear to be flickering, that's the refresh rate of the camera that does that. They don't do that to the human eye. See, it does have the fog lights up front and tow hooks, LED headlight surrounds, fixed running boards, and bumper steps, tow package, and does have the tricked out tailgate. Go ahead and drop that down. Then I'll go ahead and put that back together, and you can see that it does have Bedliner, power sliding back window, all right, go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it does have leather seats, heated rear seats right here. You can see 12-volt power outlet, USB 2 and 3 outlets. Go ahead and show you the VIN right here. Bose sound system, 2 driver presets, and there's your sunroof. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 28,256 miles on this vehicle. Down here you got your cruise control, your heated steering wheel. Then you're going to have your push to talk, your trip computer toggles. Your stereo controls are over here on the opposite side of the steering wheel, where you can control them with your fingertips. And then you got your push button to start. You have your cooled or heated front seats. And then automatic start stop toggles, drop your tailgate. And then your trailering controls, 12 volt and 110 volt outlets right here. Again, more USB 2 and 3s. And then your comfort controls and your other comfort controls that you can press on your touch screen. And then you see that it's also equipped with navigation and a very quick computer. It does have a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And then you can jump directly to your camera, and you can go to your trailering views, and then also you can look down at your trailer hitch as you're backing up to a trailer. That's super helpful. And then you can just go directly to your stereo, which your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. All right, then you've got 2 glove compartments, a wireless phone charging station right here, and key fob, which has a remote start on it. And then down in here you're going to have your SD card port, and you got an auxiliary and 2 more USB 2 and 3 outlets. Come up here, you got your controls for your sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this Denali on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. It had hail damage, as you can see. The airbags is not deployed, there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.